Nafon.
Hello. So, okay, maybe I should turn down the music a little bit. So, we are continuing the GameJam game thing, and I have noticed that there is apparently a lot of change. Like, I didn't do anything yesterday, I think. Okay, so spawn room. Okay, a lot of things changed. Let's have a look. Let's hit play and see how everything looks now. So, okay, my weird little debug things are still here. What's that door? Ah. Okay, so I think that's phase 3 in our game. Okay, these things don't have a hitbox. Oh, need I have this wall? Okay. That looks super cool. And generally all of the textures here are super amazing. Yeah. I'm a little confused. Why is there only bows and swords and in different... Oh, that's probably just one texture rather than I thought one row is an entire texture and was confused why there's 4 different textures for what, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 4 different textures for rows of stuff. Okay, anyways, that looks cool. So what do we have here? Just a corridor, different room, and after the third one you come back to that here. Cool. And I think here we just have an alternate path. And I think also these rooms always get randomized. So, okay, cool. And after the third one, again, we are at this shop here. So, what my task here is now is, as you can see here, is okay, I can't really show you because I haven't implemented a way to show you. Anyways, what was it exactly? There was a few things that were interested, yeah, that I should do now, which is oh, wait, receiving a call. Hello there.
Hi.
So I just started and had a look at it, and that looks, first of all, really cool.
Yep.
Yeah, and I'll get to work on like the inventory saving over.
Cool.
I would say.
So
Okay.
I thought it'd be useful for me to, because I'm working on player health right now.
Okay.
So I thought it would be useful to show you kind of how the singletons work, if you haven't looked at it already.
Yeah, I have not looked at singletons yet. Let me see. Okay.
So I am having to move the health out of the game manager and into the player function because it did not like me trying to call the health bar, which was under the player. And it completely did a different script.
Yeah.
So this is the singleton. Basically, anything you save in here persists between levels. Right now, I actually have the player health in the singleton. And if I change this, I gotta add a damage function real quick. But if I change it to like 8, you see the health bar goes down. And if I change it to like 1, then the health bar goes down. And then if I were to add a damage function, it would persist that health between levels here. So I think if I just do... Actually, I actually already have it here. I forgot I did that. I think if I just do... Oh, actually, I need to go into your free hugs thing here. And I think I just need to do... Singleton dot... Is it damage?
Probably.
And do like 1, and I think that works. Or no, I don't need that. There we go. And I think this work. Is this the damage one? Or no?
Yeah.
That does not work. Okay, cool. I always love doing things not working the first time.
You only showed like the console, so like I don't see if you debug anything in the game.
Oh right, I forget I have to do the full screen. Forgot I have to do the full screen. Not just that. Anyway.
But yeah.
So if I go in the bottom left here, it is not actually.
Wait 1 second. Loading. Okay.
Oh.
Now. Okay.
Okay. Let me do a print string here to see if the... Oh. I have to do a string. So it should be calling the damage function, which it is, but it's not actually applying the damage. That means I've done something wrong in my damage function. If I just do, in order to, if I go into free hugs here.
Can you just print the health before and after the damage is applied? In the singleton thing?
Oh, you know what?
Wait, we're printing damage.
I'm doing wrong. I'm not updating. Ooh, how do I do this? So the problem that's happening, you are right, is that whenever the player takes damage, you are supposed to recall the health bar thing here. So you're supposed to recall this.
Okay.
But I don't know how to do that because the damage is happening in the singleton. So like in a normal damage sense, you'd have this function like in the player movement, and you just recopy it and paste this there. So whenever you take damage, it updates the health bar.
I think I've seen something that could help here in the tutorial I sent before, which was apparently like if you have like parent classes and child classes, then like from parent classes to child classes, you generally like call the function, and the other way around, you send signals. So like we could look if we can take care of that with signals from the function.
Okay, well, I'll look into that. But to give you an actual working example, I'm using the singleton to store rooms left. So whenever I go into the move levels thing here, it removes a level basically left in here. It just removes 1, and then if I'm at 0, it spawns me
into
back into the shop.
Okay.
So yeah, there's a thing here which is if singleton rooms left equals 0, then spawn me in the shop instead.
Okay.
So in order to access the variables, you just do the singleton dot. I think we can have everything in one singleton.
Probably, yeah.
Sure.
How did you implement the singleton so that it's like persistent across everything?
So you do project, I think project setting, and do auto load.
Oh.
And then so you have to make a script first. So like make a new script. It doesn't have to be tied to anything. And then do project settings, and then you select the path here, and then hit add, and then here, and then anything stored here is stored.
Okay. That's good to know. Okay, then that should probably be easy to like implement an inventory and everything there.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Then I'll look at that. I also thought about rewriting the inventory because the current version is a bit of a mess and hard to read.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to get some temporary assets so we can actually implement a GUI before our artists get to it.
Yeah. I was also
that will add a lot of.
Yeah, I was in general wondering like about stuff like the inventory that like needs a GUI and also needs to be coded. How do we do that? Because it feels like a bit of a chicken and egg problem where like we need assets to create the inventory, but like we need to define how the inventory is created for the assets.
Oh crap! I just found a way to get on Ubuntu. I mean, we just use temporary assets, right?
Oh,
like,
okay. Yeah, that would be an idea.
Like that's why I said I can just download some GUI.
Okay. Okay.
Keep doing what we're doing.
Okay, then.
Did you ever figure out? Do we need to split up items in order for you to use them, or can they be in that big pack?
I didn't look too much into that after like trying for an hour or so and then giving up. That's probably something I will be looking at later today once I figured out how to synchronize the inventory across levels.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll look at that first, and then I'm sure there is a way. I just haven't found it yet.
Probably, but I mean, if there's not.
All
right, go back and re-add some collisions here. Yeah, I mean, if there's not, we can just let the artist know to split it up.
Okay.
I'm gonna figure out the best way to get this health working. So probably don't touch. Oh shit, we're gonna both be trying to touch the singleton at the same time.
I feel like if you touch the same code file, it would probably be mergeable.
Okay.
Like. I don't. Like the map thing.
I don't think I'm gonna.
Like the problem we had with like changing the map, that's probably because like Godot saves the map in like weird things that GitHub doesn't like.
Yeah.
But like, GitHub is made for code, so like it would be kind of odd if it had a problem with people changing code at different things.
All right.
Okay.
Well, so I will get back to it, and I'll let you get back to it.
Okay. And see you later. Like, yeah. Let me know if you have anything to merge, and I'll let you know, and then, yeah, we'll see. Okay, so that's good to know. So I'm gonna make a branch here. New branch. What do I call it? Persistent inventory, probably. So, and I turned on Spotify a little bit more. So, now the current inventory system is kind of trash, but it works, I suppose. Also, the game manager. Wait. So, like, I probably just have to move like the inventory into the persistent stuff. Or should we move these functions into the singleton? Nah, probably not. I think the singleton should probably just keep the... Wait, I don't even have the singleton thing open. But I think the singleton should just have like variables, right? Do I not have the single? Oh, it's down there. That's not in scripts. So, okay, these. Okay, I'll just leave that the way it is for now. Now, there's two ways I could do the inventory. Either, wait, let me split that up. Either I keep the current system, which is just like lists of lists and kind of weird, or I make like classes. Like the current inventory system is kind of weird. I mean, the item pickup thing is fine by now, I suppose. Just where was the inventory system? Oh, in Game Manager. Like that's the player inventory basically. Like just a list of lists, and like the first one is ores, the second one is sword, and I think that one was shields, but we don't even have shields, so I would have to rename that anyways. Bow, armor, and helmet, or something like that. And like this is like iron, bronze, steel, and so on. Like each of the resources. And like some of these don't even exist. Like we don't, like the back 3 here are like flowers or something, and yeah, we don't have swords made out of flowers. So that is kind of a weird way to handle it. Like I guess it kind of works, but it's super hard to maintain and stuff like that, and change things around that. So let's kind of draw that up how it is. That's kind of the current solution. And what we could do with classes would be saying we have like inventory class, and in there we have like a swords class, and in that we have like a counter, like just a variable. Okay, I gotta think about it, because we have like categories and materials. So like and like the materials are mostly shared through almost all categories. Like we have but like we have some materials that don't belong to all categories, like the flowers and stuff don't like belong to swords. So let me think. Okay, wait, let me maybe look at an example. Because I've seen very good tutorials yesterday, and I've still got them open. Like here, can I adapt that idea roughly? I could say material. I mean, I can basically do that for like the equipped material. can I do that for the general inventory as well, is the question. So like, we have like swords, like var sword is equipment, or like is inventory dot, and then like the tier and the number. Maybe a class inside the, not a class, a dictionary inside there. Can I have like class inventory? So like, can I have a class inventory with and the class category in there, and then like a dictionary of the materials? But how do I identify like that some materials don't even exist? Or like some combination of category and material don't exist. Okay, let me just start writing code and think about it later. Like, let me make a new script. Hold inventory. Let's put it in the scripts folder. That's not the script folder. Like this. So, wait, how did defining classes work? Class inventory. So then I can go like var. Okay, let's start with like let's start with equipment, because that one is more straightforward. There I can just like say or sword equipment new, and like same thing for like actually because like sword, wand and bow should be exclusive, because like you can only have one thing in your hand. Or do we say you can equip all of them? Maybe I just say you can equip all of them for now. Note, maybe make sword and bow exclusive. Want bow, armor, helmet. I think that's the category of items we had, if I'm not mistaken. So, sword, bow, wand, helmet, armor. Right, okay. Now, how do we implement that with classes? Or grade equal to 0. What? That's a number. Identifies an... Do I need to... What the fuck? What the fuck was the error message? Okay, anyways, it's gone now. We can move on. So everything starts with like a grade 0, and if we... And in like equipping stuff, we can change the grade it is. So that would be equipment taken care of, mostly. Let's make a note in equipping. How do you write equipping? I don't know. In equipping function, just change grade. That would work. So now inventory is more complicated though. Class inventory. So we can do the same thing for player and shop inventory. Player inventory. Inventory.new and shop inventory is also inventory.new. So like that. Now, how do I build the inventory? So in the end, I would like to be able to like go player inventory dot sorts, and that is like a list of like which sorts we have. Which of the existing sorts. So and then I could like just check like inventory. Let me write something really quick. Ors is equal to because we have more ores than like swords, because there are things that you can't make a sword out of. And then we could like in the crafting thing that I was worried about, just like check if the index is higher here, so like the grade of the ore is higher or something, then you can't craft a sword out of it or something like that. And otherwise you get like the sword of the same grade. Something like that would be possible. So I say swords, var swords, we have, how many different swords do we have? It was 5, right? Yeah, 5. Actually I can just copy paste that then. Like this. Swords, then we have shield. I think, wait, how many different things do we have? Okay, we have ores, which is more than that, because we have 3 more. Or like, do I just make plants a different thing? Oh, I can just make plants a different thing though. Okay, wait. That's also an option. To say ores is everything that we can craft things out of. And we have swords, bows, wands, armor, helmet, like that. And like you can craft one from the other sort of. And then we also have our flowers, which we only have 3 flowers. And then let's do that at the end here. Var potions, which is also just 3. So now, that is a good start. So I think I can work with that. Did I forget anything? I mean, player health is implemented differently anyways by now. Adding stuff to the inventory. But for that I should probably look at like the rooms. Do they have... Is the game manager in every level? No, it's not. Should we maybe also make the game manager like a persistent thing? Wait, I can't just make the crafting thing in... Okay, wait. Item pickup should be in the persistent place. Gear equipment as well. But crafting can just be in the shop phase script thing. Okay. That is an interesting thing. Like unload. Those should be made. Okay, let me think about this in a singleton. Let's put this and hold inventory. So the let's move that in here and yeah. Not sure if I could make that more efficient, like the gear thing. So okay, so now equipment not declared in current scope. Oh, overhauled inventory. Right, because I removed the thing here. What if I just delete that? I don't need that anymore. Actually, now that I've moved everything, I don't need it anymore. So that hopefully doesn't cause any problems. So now item pickup, that needs to go. Wait, what's that? Oh, that's that thing. Just close that. Close that. Discard. So not working on the skeleton. Or like,
bunch our actions. Input. Let's say we want to turn this label red when we press the spacebar to something that we want to happen. Down to my save button. Event. Event is what we call the information. If we press check if the action was released.
How long have I been muted? Fuck. Yeah. So, yeah. So, okay, so the inventory thing works and it's persistent between levels. That's good. First step. Just now need to figure out how to like pick up items. If I want to like put the pickup function in here as well, but that would be the clutter. Or if I create a second persistent thing, or if I can use signals maybe. Maybe go... edit player inventory. Pass. So can I like say properties? Get Can I like online docs? Wait, what was the shortcut for like the documentation of this thing again? No? What's that? No. Okay. Then, I don't know, maybe Google it. So, go.classes. I don't even know what I wanted to look. Oh, yeah. If there's... I want to see if I can, like, get the properties so I can... Okay, I think I just came up with an idea how to do that. Item type, material. So I then go player inventory dot item type amount item type of material plus equals amount. So like that. And then just like say print player inventory dot item type. I don't even need to say material here. So wherever I now put wait, that's as far up as it goes. Okay, wait, I gotta have to look up signals again.
We'll get into that in the inheritance chapter. Signals. Signals are messages that buy button. I'm currently connected to this function. If I click on it, get it? Now this is we can connect as many functions as functions are connected to. Getting enough. Getting all of these from the from an XP variable. 20. Going to go back to that signal. We can connect it to other nodes, but just for this example.
So okay, I think I have an idea how to do this. Item pickup on body entered. Here I just like emit the signal for. Okay, wait. Signal item pick up, and I do okay, here I do item pickup dot emit.
Supports this as well, and instead of printing thing, we'll print whatever message was input, and then when we emit the signal, we can put in a message. Let's put in grants.
Okay, I can do this here, so that's good. I mean basically that. Item pickup cat 1, but I think that those are differently. Is that not how it works? Okay, time for Google. Go dot using signals. I want to create my own signal with data. Signal old value, no new value. Material category amount. I've probably used those here, right? Pick up material, pick up category, and pick up amount, something like that. So I need to redefine those. Then I'll need to connect the signal. How did that work again? Ready. Item pickup dot connect. Oh wait, I need to do that somewhere else, right? Wait.
Nodes. Every scene in Godot is a tree of nodes. And the nodes from the nodes as they choose. Children signal their needs to the parents, and the parents decide the next step. Now keep in mind that this is a way to remember good coding practice, and is in charge of connecting the signal. This concept correctly requires some practice. Functions we use for naming and order to keep our code video again and right at the beginning. Well, here the common coding practice. It is definitely not parenting advice. But what if we need children signal them?
How do I...
So it's the child, which we use as a rule of practices that we can choose to adhere to.
How do I get the signal? Wait, did I just have to save it and then I get it, or? Oh wait, that's not a child of that. So there's my problem. I could make it a child of that though. I mean, the singleton is attached to anything. Maybe I need to go a step back for that, because I also need to like spawn stuff. I also need to like figure out how to spawn items. So maybe I should first implement that before I do pick up stuff. I think, yeah. Let's change the priorities here. Let's say that. Oh wait, equip. Shop. Do I equip? Yeah, equip first, shop. Those are sort of equal. Then let's do spawn and then do pickup. So first equip should be rather simple. Also maybe I should push that first, so I have at least that stuff in here. Yeah, let's get rid of those actually. Implemented class based persistent inventory. Let's commit that so I can roll back if I break something else. So now let's not roll it back completely. Okay, I said first to do equipment, which should be rather straightforward. Func equip. Item type. Item type, material. Yeah, I don't need an amount for that. And basically we just go into player inventory. Player basically we take that and say if that bigger than 0, then we go and say edit player inventory item type material and -1, and then we also I think I need to rewrite that. I think I need to rewrite that. Zero, 0. Basically, we just store the grade, I suppose. Makes more sense. By the way, can I even do that? To like say player inventory dot item type, and like item type is like ores, flowers, or something like that. Does that work? I hope so. I will find that out very soon, I suppose. And then we just go and say player gear is equal to equipment.new. So player gear dot item type is equal to material +1. Okay, what I'm thinking here is material as like an index goes from 0 to 4, from iron to shadow infused, but the gear thing I would say goes from 0 as in unarmed to 5 as in shadow infused. So like whenever you have any sword, that should be better than having no sword. Have I said that more complicated than it need to be? Probably. Yeah, and before I do that, I should also go and check. I still don't know if that even works, but still, I should also add what was there before into the player inventory. Edit player inventory. Wait, item type would work. That -1 and 1. I'm not okay. What I'm imagining here is we know the item type. So like if it's a sword, then it'll add a sword, and player gear dot item type, which would be like, let's see which sword we have, or like which grade of sword. And because here I add +1, I need to -1 that here. So like if I have an iron sword, that is like index 0 generally in the inventory, but as in grade it should be 1, which is something that I'm making probably more complicated than it should be, but like I'm sort of thinking of unarmed as grade 0. And then like to get back into the inventory, it should be -1. Okay, that could make sense. So now, time to find out if that works. If I can say player gear dot that, and like that is a variable. I would sort of assume that it doesn't work. Print. I mean, there's easier ways to debug that. I could just go. No, it definitely doesn't work, because how would I pack that? How do I do that? Like, I want to have like just a number or something to refer to these. But I'm pretty sure it doesn't work like it. So I need to somehow get like the variables that this class has. Or like the, what's it called? No, not methods. Methods was like functions thing. Man, I'm so not used to working with classes. Let's look back into the tutorial. Where were classes? Classes here.
VOD. There we go. Classes. This is a good one. GDScript is an object-oriented programming language. This means that we generally try to structure. Say, for example, we're making an RPG. So for
Okay, yeah.
Technically not creating it defines a character of type is by duplicating this a functions main script now, and here we can get a var for character to kill and call the. These are classes that exist inside of another class. We mostly use create an armor piece of equipment to 10 by default, and a alternative to dictionaries because they are sometimes a bit more safe to use. Say we have this character class here, and we would like to add some equipment. We could create an inner class called equipment. So I'll write class equipment, and then we can give it a couple of variables. I'll create an armor variable, set it to 10 by default, and a weight of 5. Now we can use this class around our script, so we could create some variables using it. I'll create a chest.
That doesn't help. Should I just maybe not make it more complicated than it needs to be? That could be an answer here. Like if I just put all of these in a list again, and here again, but then I'd have the list of list things again, especially with different lengths. I kind of want it like that.
Hello.
Hello, new PCB. How are you doing? Well, what class? I can just search for that, I suppose. Is that even what I need? No. Okay, let me just Google GD classes. Oh, that's where it just was, wasn't it? Okay. I'm kind of going in circles here. I feel like. Or should I just make list of lists again? I really don't want to. I need a way to like dynamically choose which variable I'm selecting from a class. GD script dynamically change which variable of class is accessed. That definitely doesn't really describe the thing. That doesn't look like it's what I want to do. Okay. Interesting. No clue what they're doing.
Good, but I have a question. Do you know anything about working with OpenAI API?
Yes, a little bit. Like, I have a chatbot thing running. Like, if you type !AI and then any message, then an OpenAI thing will actually respond to you with text to speech. But yeah, do you have any questions about that? Maybe I can help. It's been a while since I last programmed something with it, a couple of months, but I might be able to help. Also, I've only ever used it with like text. I haven't done anything with images yet. But I assume it would probably be rather similar. And I've always done it in Python, in case you're looking for something different. Access GD script variable by string, something like that. What the hell is going on here? Do I just make it list of lists again? I really don't want to. Maybe I can get the... Maybe I can do it differently. Maybe I can do it the other way around. Maybe I don't like get a list or like get an index from the function that does pickup and then like add it to that weird thing. Maybe I give back like an inventory thing to the function that does pickup. Does anything that I said make sense? Probably not. But maybe it does. So, it might.
Swift Rage.
Hello. For one grip. Is that you watching the stream as someone who knows that? Because I feel like if someone who understands what they're doing watches the stream, that would exactly be their reaction.
Knows what?
I don't know how to generally use Godot script thing. I feel like that would be the exact reaction of
No,
someone who
got
does
it since yesterday.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Similar experience than me then. So, Man, I really thought I had something here. Can you do that?
https://www.youtube.com/watch??
Yes, I'm trying to make a simple bot to learn on Python, but I'm having problems.
I love it in the TTS overlaps. I'm trying to make a simple bot to learn on Python, but I'm having problems. Cool. What kind of problems do you have? Also, maybe I'll check that out after the stream. Full long grip. I don't really want to open random things on stream. Distraction. Oh fuck! Why did I not see YouTube chat?
The video is just my FPP controller with Godot.
What? FPP controller. What's an FP? First person? No. What's an FPP controller? Also, why am I not seeing YouTube chat?
First person perspective.
Oh, first person perspective. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, wait, let me catch up on YouTube chat. There's been some messages that I missed. Whoops. I suggest you make an inventory, have every item stored as a variable, then you use each variable as an identifier to control stare and then another variable for each slot. Oh, I kind of don't want to make 30 variables. If I understand that correctly. You can set the variables, though it would probably have to be done manually. You can have every slot store variable example 0 nothing insert. What do you use to code? I just code in Godot right now, but like generally I use Visual Studio Code if I work on something else. But yeah, I don't think like making. If I understand the suggestion from YouTube chat correctly, then that was like making iron ore and a variable and bronze ore a variable, and so like instead of having one list here, making five variables. I kind of don't want to do that. I think that's basically exactly what I want to avoid. First person perspective controller. Cool. Okay, let me open that in the second screen. Oh, 14 seconds. That's short enough. Cool. Yeah, that's. Congratulations, you have completed the hello world of game dev, as For always calls it. You are able to control something.
Description if you like.
Yeah, maybe for a different project. We have a 2D thingy. We don't. Yeah, we have a top-down 2D thing. We don't really need a first-person thing. But thanks, anyways. So, where was I? I should probably up the distraction counter by now. At least a couple of things were in there. So, can I call it with strings somehow? What if I do player inventory dot and a string ors? I highly doubt that this will work. Yeah. GD script use string as identifier. Maybe we can do that. Is valid identifier interesting? Okay. this might not be what I need. Wait. Item. Oh wait. How else could I try doing that? Okay, what kind of stuff do I have in class? Hey, thanks for following, Foxcorn. Oh yeah, and for the guy who asked about the... Oh, also thanks for following Full Bong Grip. Full Blee on Grip? I don't know.
A warm welcome.
Yeah, that's running on OpenAI, by the way.
Here we witness the Tapir tribe expanding its ranks.
Full Bong Grip. Ah,
Much
cool.
like our herd of elephants welcomes a new member, as Foxcorn integrates into the tribe, they bring in fresh perspectives and energies, akin to a young sapling thriving in a diverse forest ecosystem. It is a joyous moment indeed, as the Tapir tribe continues to flourish and evolve in the digital wilderness of Twitch. A hearty welcome to the newest addition to the Tapir tribe, Full Bong Grip.
And
Here
Full
we
Dupin
observe the
and
Tapir
Full
tribe
Pen
growing
Blink.
stronger. Much like a pride
Is-
of lions.
Is that free accounts from you? What the fuck, mate?
As Full Bong Grip
Triple
joins
whammy.
the tribe, they contribute to the rich tapestry of this digital community, akin to a vibrant coral reef teeming.
Yeah, I really need to
with
tell
life.
him
The
to
Tapir
keep it
tribe
short.
celebrates this new connection.
I think he's still on
as
like
they embark on a
the
shared
second
journey
follow of that.
exploration and
What the hell is
camaraderie
that in the corner?
in the vast landscape of Twitch.
That's the ChatGPT powered AI thing, and I told it to like always welcome new followers, and it always keeps ramping up for fucking forever.
A joyous welcome to the newest member of the Tapir
LMAO.
tribe. Full Pen Blink. Here we see the Tapir
Okay, he's
tribe
on the
growing in unity,
third one?
much like a pack of wolves
Is it the third one?
bonding through shared
Yeah, that's the third one.
experiences. As Full Pen
Cool.
Blink integrates into the tribe, they add a fresh dynamic, akin to a gentle breeze refreshing a dense
Wahoo.
forest. The Tapir tribe celebrates this new presence as they continue their enchanting journey through the digital realms of Twitch.
Hey, he's done. We survived 3 of them in a row. Anyways, thanks for the follows, guys.
Working on for the Pirate Jam.
What you working on for the Pirate Jam? Wait, I can show it off real quick.
It's not sending no messages back. I have the OpenAI pip installed and the key set up to, but it doesn't work.
Okay, let's go through this one at a time. First, what you're working on for the Pirate Jam? It's kind of complicated. Like we started out thinking like in the realm of roguelike, but now it's sort of like roguelike style, but you aren't the one fighting it.
So cool.
Yeah, that night asset isn't one of ours. That's one we found at some tutorial online, and that will get replaced. Yeah. Anyways, so we are working on a top-down pixel style, sort of roguelike, sort of dungeon crawl. It's hard to explain. Like you have like 3 phases sort of going on. Like the first phase. Okay, wait, maybe I'll start off at like the location of first phase. So like that's like the spawn room, that's where you start. There might be some items lying around at the beginning that you can pick up. Then you go into like 3 different rooms. There will be monster spawning here and stuff, and that's how you collect resources. And after the third room, or like at the third room, yeah, you enter the shop phase. Here you can like...
Roguelike games, on the other hand, usually take these roguelike mechanics and blend them with other genres.
Okay, yeah, so maybe it qualifies
Roguelike
for
is the
that.
style you're doing, I think.
Okay, that might be the... Yeah, that might be the qualifier then. But yeah, it's kind of hard to explain because like
Roguelike is permadeath.
yeah, like we don't have permadeath for one, but like also it's not really a roguelike. Like the second phase that I just told you about, where you have the monsters and like resource collection. That one, first of all, it doesn't have permadeath, and that also isn't like the roguelike stage of it, if you know what I mean. That's just like resource collection. We don't have like, you have a wave of enemies that you have to slay, and then the next wave is harder and stuff like that. Instead, it's just like you have the resource collection stage, and then you get into the next collection in the next stage.
Mixed with other stuff.
Yeah, it's like we were thinking roguelike, but I don't know if it even qualifies for roguelite. Like it got sort of detached along the way. It's like, anyways, the third stage is like this shop stage. You're part of a team. Yes, 5 people, like 5 random people that didn't know each other before, that just found each other on the Parrot software server. So yeah, in the third stage you enter this shop.
Maximum for the jam.
Exactly. That's what you were going for. And like it's also a kind of like beginner team. Like only one of us has done game dev before, I think. So yeah, we're just mostly aiming for like learning stuff and figuring stuff out. We are very aware that we probably won't win this, but yeah, our goal is to like finish the game, basically, finish a game. Yeah. Anyways, third stage, you come here with like your items. All your items that you collected in this round get transferred to the shop, so you keep those permanently. And then here you can craft stuff or like transmute stuff into like weapons or potions. And then that's the weird mechanic. You sell those weapons. Like you can equip one weapon or like one type of each gear that you use, but the other ones you sell. And you then, and the NPCs that you sell them for, they fight like the big monster. So yeah, it's hard to explain what that counts as. So like it's not you who does cool. The roguelike thing, basically. Yeah. And like if you die here during the resource collection, then you lose everything that you had in that round. But like everything that you had saved in the shop stays there permanently, basically. So yeah, that's the general idea. And on the question about the OpenAI thing, it's not sending no messages back. I have the OpenAI pip installed and the key set up, but it doesn't work. Okay, maybe I'll just give you a quick overview over my thing. When I remember where it was. Give me a second.
How long have you been using Godot?
How long have you been using Godot? Yeah, not too long. When have I first opened it? I think on Wednesday. Yeah. As I said, only one guy in our thing ever did
full bong rip is going to increase the distraction counter kappa.
Yeah, true. How many have I? Yeah,
Thornatico, of course, heart.
Yeah, there's. I feel like it's been at least 4 of them. Let's just set it to 5. You're pro. Yeah, I disagree with that. Like I've been stuck at the inventory thing a lot. Do you like apples and bananas? Yes, I like both of them. That's one more.
LMAO.
So, okay, to go back to the ChatGPT thing again. I think the easiest way to learn, if you want to have like a resource where there is like pre-existing code that you can like look into and like have an example of a working thing. You can go to DuckDuck's GitHub, and he has a project called Babagaboosh, which is sort of like the AI characters that thing, or like which is the program that I originally
I
used.
distracted you so much, my bad. Didn't mean to throw my pineapples in your potato top hat with triangles on its lemon sad smiley.
What the fuck? Yeah. Anyways, Duck Duck Baba Gaboosh. He had a program. I basically just took that program and like ship of Theseus, or Theseus, however you pronounce that guy, it. Like I took that pre-existing thing.
Sorry, didn't mean to lemon your bananas sad smiley.
Yeah, basically just have a look at this. Wait, I'll post it in Twitch chat.
https://gethub.com/dugduggethup/babagabush.
Yeah, that's the thing. Just have a look at that. There you have the the OpenAI chat thing, and that is like a working OpenAI communication thing. Just use that as a reference, basically. YouTube question: what happened to your Jarvis project? I don't know. I kind of got long-term distracted with like making this overlay thing, and then I took like a few weeks off, and then now it's this GameJam. Like it's not completely shelved. I will continue on it, but not right now. Basically, the Jarvis project. If you don't know what the Jarvis project is, it's like a project where I like basically have yet again an OpenAI chatbot thing, but like I allowed the OpenAI thing to write Python code onto my PC and then also like run that Python code like all at runtime. So it can like in theory like self-expand and do everything. Yeah. Like within the limitations of ChatGPT writing code. Which are surprisingly many complications.
Wow, it didn't even text-to-speech my bananas and bananas, even though my bananas are pineappling the triple chicken gumba from the Aegis puppy.
How do you even come up with that? Ah, there it is. Yeah, I'm never getting done with this inventory. Okay, focus.
Weed.
Magical weed. Oh. Yeah. I feel like my stream is one, playground for unsupervised adults, and two, definitely not built in a way that it scales well. And like three, it maximizes getting me distracted. And on that note, yeah. Now, I need to somehow... Can I like somehow check which like variables a certain class has? Does that make sense? I mean, that's probably the same for other... Oh, okay, that isn't that. Given class name is that. Get
I
class.
hate Unity, it corrupted my triangles.
You know, that sort of sounds like a nonsensical sentence, but I'm sure I'm sure that makes sense actually in some way. I just don't know it at the moment. Like I've used Unity before, and also Unity is a game engine. Game engines do like triangles for like splitting up big textures. There's probably something that can go wrong that corrupts textures and then like breaks everything and triangulation. Am I close to what you meant to say with that, or did you just say a random assortment of words? Okay, wait, what's that coding? Get class. Dot get class. What does this do? So like this, and I can then press general debug. That's not what I intended. This class is parent class. What are they even? What is even the question here? An object, and I'm giving a class name in string. How do I check if the object is of that class? Okay. Objects. Or like. Wait. GD script get objects of class. Get children. I'm not sure if that works. Doesn't. Okay, get class incoming index instance in list method property list. That might be it. So that's more than I hoped it would be, but oh, name. Wait, ref counter, name script, built-in script, ors. Okay, so here we get to the part. Here we get to the interesting part. That's the closest I've gotten so far. Actually, let's do that. Player inventory dot get. What else do we have? Signal connection list, get script, property list, method list, meta list. Meta list? What does that do? Wait, I didn't have to reload. I always forget that. Doesn't have that. So I assume this one will be empty. Oh. Indexed. What does that do? Okay, that needs property. Method list? I mean, methods are like functions, so like that would be, oh, that should be empty because we don't have any functions in that thing. Shouldn't there be a game somewhere? Oh, here. Oh, it's very much not empty. What the hell? Oh, it gives me all of the methods that like a class in general has. That's not exactly what I want. Okay, so I probably need the property list and need to like figure out how to use that. Is script get property list. Let's see. I'm not finding that one right now. Gives me dictionary. Name and type. Okay. How do I use that? Hmm. Hmm. This name. Wait, name, class name? Oh, it just literally says class name. What if I do inventory get property list? Does that work? Or like what does that do? Okay, I can't call that. I don't want to do like switch cases. Or like, do I? Do I maybe do switch cases? Add. Okay. Could a switch case help? Like it could. I could just like. I think that's the answer actually. To like just get an index and then do like switch case with that index and like depending on which we call it. Okay. I think I got it. What was the thing? So if I like say enum item types and we have sword, wand, bow, armor, helmet, and then we say match item type how does it work? Item types dot sword. And sword. Something like that. Okay, but here then we do player inventory dot swords. Now we're talking of material plus equals amount. Unless it's killing me, I must confess, I still believe. So, okay. Give me a sign. So now wand, bow, armor, and helmet. Helmet, armor, bow, and wands. So I think that'll do now. On that thing. And I basically need the same thing. Yeah, I need that switch case for here for everything. Is there no easier way to access that so I can avoid that switch case? Or like matches, however, whatever it's called. Print invalid item type. So can I like reference a different script in this script? I still need to figure out how to do like the talk from one script to the next. Right, the singleton is in here. Can I do? Okay. But I will continue figuring that out in a second after a short like 3-minute break. Be right back. I'm back here. So, how do I reference that again? Was it like on ready, like up there? Oh wait, that's a string. No. 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 Is there any key combination that I can... Oh. Okay, maybe like that. Identifier. Okay. Can I do edit? Like that? Can I do that? No. Or do I do... I just import this whole thing into like into the singleton as well, because we need that at like several. Okay, maybe I should. I mean, let me for now. No, I can't just, because that also does like sprite stuff. Wait, how did it do that thing? Auto load. Auto load scripts. Singletons. How do these work? Okay. What the fuck is that? Oh. Wikipedia page. Okay. Don't think I need to read through that as well. It's the same scene class. Singletons. How do I pass information to the singleton is the question I have right now. Wait, am I stupid? I mean, yes, but I am, but still. I feel like I've been working for hours on a solve problem, because here remove RL. Like that's getting used by all the rooms, so like, Oh. I can't just use that without... Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Ah, core, okay. Okay, that makes things a lot easier. So that makes things a lot easier. So edit player inventory. Let me do this. Edit player inventory item type. Wait, let me pull this down here. So item type needs to be like, and does it need to be a number or one of these? Wait. I think it needs to be item types of category and amount 1. Like this. Get rid of that. So what problem do we have here? Wait, enum. Oh. Item category. Isn't that just a number though? Let's see. I think that just delivers a number. Yeah. 0. Yes. Don't quite understand. Oh, material is null. Why is material null? Oh. Because it's called mat, not material. Happens. So. But like for cat, I need the name, right? How does enum work again? Wait, I still have the thing open. The tutorial. Enums, there we go.
And here you can see our state. So argo alignment.ally by default. And then inside ready, we can check if unit alignment is equal to alignment dot. Let's check for enemy. And if it is, we will print you are not welcome here. And
okay. Wait. Let me think. Item pick. I'm not in item pickup. I'm in item pickup now. So we have an enum item category that is still false because it has shield. Oh, it needs to... Ah, right, I forgot ores. I forgot ores here. Actually, let me throw that to the front here, just so everything is in the right order. So item picker. So like this. Right, let me do that here as well. Oh, nothing was selected. That's why it said 0, I think. Okay. Shit. Yeah, because I've declared the same thing twice. Save and play. So, and it crashed. What did it output before? 3 and 4. Both of which are numbers. Item type. Difference in... Wait, what? Oh. That needs to... Yeah, I forgot to delete it. Wait, what? Why is there... Oh, there's the bracket. I forgot to delete that. And stop and open. Cool. That just prints that thing. I should also like print the item stuff then. Alright, I have a button to print inventory. That said, that button also gives me something. Wait, what did the button give me again? Some ore. Okay, what if I say we print the bows? Because I think there was a bow selected as the thing that it gives me. So cool. That works. If I now go into the next level, we still have a bow. Well, like 2 bows. Here as well, and here as well. Cool. That took longer than necessary. But I figured it out. Eventually. So. That means item pickup mostly works now, right? Yeah, I think item pickup works now. Didn't I want to work on that last? Why did I continue with that? So, item pickup works. Yep, I wanted to work on that last. Yeah, I'm very organized. I wanted to start with equip, which I already started working on, but I didn't finish. So, item type, materials. Okay, yeah, right. I also need a switch case for that, right? Yeah, basically the same thing here. So we don't have an amount because what it needs to do is actually this here, sorta. This, so dot ors. Oh, expected intended block. Oh, that one isn't. Okay. Fine. Do it like this. So get rid of all of these. I'm sure there's a better way to do this. But I don't know that better way. Oh no, I copy pasted incomplete code. Player gear dot ors. Oh wait, no, it can't be or. It shouldn't be or. Oh, I deleted the one that. Okay, first I completed the one that it can't be because we can't equip ors. And then I deleted everything that I worked on. Sorts. So, edit player inventory, give that thing. Dot sort. Okay, I think that does it. Okay, before I copy paste that, let's test it with a okay, I need a second debug button, I think. Input map, second debug. What key do I use? Maybe G. That's right above B. Then I will copy. Oh, oh no, I need to copy paste that. Elif. Second debug. And here we do equip item type. We go item types dot sort, and then material. We go material is just a number, right? So 2. Then we print sorts and print player gear dot sort. So we try to equip a steel sword, I think, should that be? Which means I will put a steel sword in here as well. Oh wait, I need to edit that in the spawn room. Steel sword, like this. So, if I run that now, and I press B, B prints the wrong thing, I think. Oh yeah, B prints the bows. So let's also make that print the swords. So, okay, no swords. And now I have a steel sword. If I now press G, it crashes because Well, it's set in swords. Just see. What does it... Wait. When I press G, I print a line. Then I print... No, wait, I first do... Okay, wait. 0. I first do equip, which prints 1. Then I print a line, then I print... how many swords I have and which sword I've equipped, which is none, because I didn't equip any. But like that prints 1, so why was I not able to compare that with 0 before? Was it because of that? I don't know if it was because of that, but we will have a look. So, we have a sword. We crash. Oh, player gear dot sword, not dot swords. Okay, but that is a different error than before. So it might have actually been that bracket thing there. Oh, that, back to that problem. What I did, what happened there is the index dropped around because it was at 0 and then I did -1, so it added one of the strongest swords. But I've got the right sword equipped. So now I have to only make a check. If that thing isn't 0. If that sword bigger 0, then add it back to the inventory. So that should now fix that. We've got one sword. We equip the sword and then we go... Let's give me a better sword. I now have a better sword. I pressed equip. I had a better sword. I checked 0. Oh, yeah, because I equip a specific sword, not the best sword. Right. If I now go and say equip sword 3 and press that, then I upgraded the sword I have and I put the other one back in my inventory. Nice, so that works. Equip works. So let's get rid of some of these prints. Actually, let's keep that one for now. Don't need that. And get rid of that print. And then this. So I need the same for bow. Oh, there's the wand. So
thank you.
No problem. Did you figure it out? So. And also, what are you building with the OpenAI API? And bow. Oh shit. Right. That one's plural. No wait. Player gear is singular. Play here. Okay, only the first one needs to be plural. Bow. Oh, wait. I thought it was a different song. Oh wait, armor. Did I set armor just to armor, not armors? I mean, wait, is there a plural of armor? Or does it have a different one? Wait, am I completely stupid? Armor, helmet. Okay, this... Everything here is plural except helmets. Like armor, the plural of armor is armor, right? Also, it gives me like the British English thing, right? That's not the word I'm looking for. I hate how everything it gives me is like English to German translation. Kind of like... We'll just assume armor is the plural as well. So, helmet. Let's see. Let's do that in a way that makes sense. Helmet. So, that should now be implemented, I think. So, and that. Okay, equip. What else did I want to do? Shop, right. When we go into the thingy level, in the into the shop level, then everything should be transferred. So let's make a transfer to shop thing. Temp that to equip inbuilt item type. So like this. Now edit player inventory. Okay. Transfer to shop. Now I feel like I can probably do things similarly than this here. Wait, where did I do that? Shop transfer, here. Transfer items to shop. Oh, I did here. Transferring, okay. Okay, I just looped through it. Okay, that's not amazing. Hey Kalish, how's it going? Do I just loop through all of them? For I in player inventory dot. Oh, I have to do that 7 times. Then what are you doing? I'm programming like something for GameJam. Like I'm taking part in the Pirate Software GameJam with 4 other wonderful people from his community, and we are trying to make a game here that's like a top-down pixel art, hard to explain what genre kind of game. And currently I'm working on the inventory system. You can see there's a few things implemented, but like not a lot at the moment. We are in the very beginning stages of everything. And yeah, so I'm currently working on like the inventory system, so you can pick up like weapons and equip them and stuff like that, and then like also craft stuff with other stuff and so on and so on. So, but for that to work, I will have to first make an inventory system. And what I'm currently exactly working on is that once you enter the shop, then everything from your inventory should be transferred into the shop inventory. So like you have the player inventory and the shop you enter also has an inventory. And as soon as you enter, that should all be transferred automatically, and that's what I'm trying to do now. Shop inventory dot. Wait, can I enumerate the for loop? Okay, wait. Go dot for loop. Okay, it doesn't say anything about enumerating. Okay, then let's do it the old-fashioned way in len. So for I in len that, then plus equals player inventory dot ors of I. Oh wait, that one also needs to be like that. Did I forget anything? Ors. Can I like make player inventory a new thing? Like instead of manually going through all of these and setting them 0 again, could I just like go and say that? At the end? We will try if that works. I forgot how many I need for that. So swords 3, and that needs to be indented. Then we have, what was the order again? Wands, of course, plural. Then we had bows, armor, and then helmet. expose and armor like that, and I actually got the amount of copy pastes right. Very nice. So print inventory.swords maybe, or the best for the game jam. Thank you very much. Our goal for this game jam is basically just like completing any game because we are all right on the newbie side. Bye. Okay, have a nice day. So, yeah, so now I need to just call that whenever we enter the shop. Is there a script that does that? Like, wait, how does entering the shop work? Move levels. Oh, in here. On body entered. Yeah. Remove rooms left. Next level path is that, plus little name, which is something. If level name equal shop, then transfer the shop. Oh yeah, singleton dot transfer the shop. So like this, and let's see if that works now. It might just work. So pick up some stuff. Debug. I got 3 swords. That's the first room. That's the second room, and I don't have any swords anymore. Maybe I should make a debug thing for how many swords the item the shop has. Let's do print shop inventory dot swords, and if I print that, nice, then the shop has now got 3 swords. Cool, so that works. First try, hell yeah. Now, crafting is the next part. Or I just start cleaning up some code here. Like shop transfer. Yeah, this one is unnecessary. Yeah, this one can go. Save. Close. Close that again. Scripts. Shop transfer can go. Remove that. Scene. We also had a shop transfer scene, which was just like the coin thing, right? Yeah. Delete. So, this can go. So, oh God. Why is there like always an unsaved thing? Which file did it just create? I don't know. Let's just ignore it. So, player movement, we still need that. We still need that. Item pickup. We still need that, but I feel like I can delete some stuff here. Did I already delete everything? Uncomment. Commented for debug. Actually, there's better ways to give myself items. I should just uncomment that so it goes away once I pick something up. So, do I even use it in here? I do not. Then let's get rid of that. This line can go as well. Take it. So, crafting table. That's the next thing to work on, I suppose. The best gear transfer thing, I don't need that either. Let's close that. Delete the script for it and the scene as well. So, right, that thing is still in here. Get rid of that. Get rid of the shop transfer thing. Okay, item pickup needs to be like in every room that does items, I suppose. Okay, that's a thing for later, I think. Wait, more levels is in... Okay, that's not something I built, so I'm just confused as to what it does. What does that do? Oh, is that the like hitbox thing? What does it do? Wait. Ah, yeah, that's the hitbox.
It moves you to the next
It
level.
moves. Yeah, okay. I figured that, but I wasn't sure if that's like just the hitbox. Okay, that's good to know. So, now the item pickup. Yeah, that's something I'll check later once we do like dropping stuff.
How's it been going?
It's been going great. So I've gotten a lot of things done, I think. So what I did is, wait, let me show you this. Actually, I can just go through it if I remember everything correctly. So I like rewrote the inventory system. So like instead of the weird thing we had before, we have this weird thing now. So like we have like a class inventory and like all the ores, flowers, swords and so it could have. And then I just make out of that player inventory, a shop inventory, and a similar thing for the equipment you have equipped at the moment. Yeah, already made a function that transfers everything to the shop. Like if I go here now and pick that up, that was a sword of like the 4th type, which is adamantium or whatever it's called. So if I now, okay, if I press G, I can see like the shop inventory. If I press B, I can see my inventory. And if I now go into the shop, then press B, my inventory is empty. Press G, shop has now the sword in the inventory. So, what else have I been doing? Okay, like first of all, like I rewrote the inventory thing. I also made it possible, yeah. I just rewrote the equip thing
You
as
know
well.
the door on the side at the start is a debug door to go straight to the shop, right? Smiley mit
Yes.
rausgestreckter Zunge.
Why did it say that in German? Yeah, I have figured that out before, but I don't know why I just walked the long way around. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, so okay. Next thing I will work on is like the crafting table again, but like better and transmute. And then like how to like spawn in items. Like after an enemy dies or something like that. I will have a look into that. I think. Except there's something else I should have been working on that I forgot about. So. Maybe I should commit in the meantime. Because I changed a lot of things since the last one. Inventory rewrite and code cleanup. So, wait, I haven't even published this branch. So, and okay, craft. So the crafting table. Right, okay, I'll have to look into the shop thing for that. The shop level here. Map floor. How did you like add this? Is it just like a texture or is that like an object? Like this, the smith thing and the potion thing?
It is a texture.
It's, oh, okay, just a texture. So I'll give that a hitbox, I suppose.
Under Map Dekorations.
Map decorations. Oh. Here, shop assets. Cool. Also, what exactly is that shop as? Is it just like decoration or is it something I should deal with?
We can change it to an object. I was just placing it down.
Okay, I mean we don't need to. I can just
I
like.
have absolutely no idea. I made it.
Yeah. Okay. That's basically the same way I've been around that. Like I saw it and I was like, oh, that looks super cool. Not entirely sure what it is or like if it has any purpose, but it looks cool. Okay, so then I'll just make like a hitbox around that and say if you are standing like here or something, then you can mix potions. Let's say that's the smithy thing. What's the name for that? The forge. Let's say that's the forge. If you're standing around the forge, you can make swords, wands, armors. Yeah, bows as well, I suppose. And the other thing I forgot. Anyways, yeah, I'll just give that a hitbox. What was it called again? Collision thing. Collision shape 2D. That's the one I'm looking for. Forge hitbox. And another one for potion hitbox. What's the station where you craft potions called? So shape, rectangle.
Potion lab.
Potion lab. Okay, that's good. That's a good one. So let's say you have to stand roughly here for the forge. That's not symmetrical. I don't like that. Yeah, that's... I'll take that. Potion lab hitbox. There you go. So, new rectangle Not entirely sure how like the hitbox of the walls will be in the end, so I'll place it like this for now. But that's something we can always change. So. Okay, maybe I should like... I mean, if the hitbox is too big, then there's the wall anyway, so you can't exactly walk there. So that won't be a problem, I hope. Now, I need to like handle the collisions with that and the interaction. Right, so save. And I'll probably handle that in singleton as well, right? Or do I? No, I should probably do that in shop. Do I have a script for the shop? No. Okay, so levels shop. Wait, why is it called level 2? Okay, anyways. Attach script. Scripts shop. There we go. Now, I already had sort of a system to detect if you are in the hitbox and can interact with it. Okay, actually I can clear up the game manager thing a lot here. Don't need any of that. We don't need player health here either. We don't need that either. We don't need that either. Or that. Yeah, we have a different thing there. Transfer best gear. We won't be using that. Even though it is sad that I've wasted over an hour on that. Fully knowing that we won't use it. But like for debugging the inventory thing. Or should I keep that for like adapting it? Is that useful to have like a thing that automatically transfers the best gear you have to you? I mean, I would have to adapt it anyway, so let's just get rid of it. So, craft. Okay. Is that even in here? Nope, that can get rid of as well. Can get rid of that. And probably also that. Yeah. Get rid of that. And suddenly the game manager is almost empty. So. So, crafting table. So. Okay, I won't need that. I will need something like that. Okay, let me just copy paste basically exactly that and adapt it. So var what is the other thing? Range false. Now Oh wait, no, not into singleton. We want that in here. Our potion range is false. Now, forge hitbox. Shouldn't they have like... Do I need an area 2D? Oh. Okay, apparently I need an area 2D instead of a hitbox thing. Good, then let's make an area 2D. Forge hitbox. Like this. Wait, how did you define the shape there? Should I not like have a shape? I'm confused. What am I doing wrong? Ah, that's what I thought. Okay. I didn't notice that wasn't its own level. It's not, huh? How did you... Why can I not like see the sub thing in here? How did you do that? I'm confused. Anyways. So. Like this. And area 2D. Rename that Potion Lab Forge like this, and there we go. Save that and go back to the script. Now I can go here, body entered. Or do I just drag and drop that? Can I just drag and drop that here? No. Okay, yeah, should be that far. Yeah. On body entered and also on body exited. And what if I now do that same thing with this? Oh, it does. It is in the name. Okay, I didn't notice. Okay, and on that exited as well. So, what those now do, let's call it forge range actually. Like this. Oh yeah, because we don't use that anyways. So in forge range, and false out of that. This potion range in potion range and false, and also print out of potion range. So get rid of that, maybe move that up. So process if input, or do I handle input the other way around like this? If event, oh, is action pressed, right? Is action pressed, interact. If forge range print opened forge elif potion range potion lab else print interacted out of range. I mean, that's basically all that there is right now. Yeah. I mean, I can save that for later. Craft success is equal to false because it's not implemented yet. So, like this. Okay, so now I should be able to go into the shop. Or I'm not even able to do anything. Oh shit, because that's okay. Let's comment that out, and now I should be able to go into the shop. And if I press interact here, interact at out of range, open forge, open potion lab. Cool. That's amazing. No, we don't have a GUI or anything for that yet. But let me start working on a crafting system. Let's... Actually, I can just... Yeah, let's do that in the shop thing, not the singleton. Fun craft. Swords. Wait, what was the thing again? Oh, here. So sword, let's say that costs 2. Wand costs 1. Bow costs 1 as well. Armor costs 3. Hammer 1, something like that. So if singleton dot player inventory no, I need to do that differently. need to do that differently. So, because here, oh, do I need that switch case thing again? Where was the switch case? Do I need to make this abomination again? I mean, no, I only have to check ores. Right, I only need to check ores. Also, let's call that forge items. Player inventory dot ores. Can I not check that here? Can I not access this here? Print. Let's try printing the player inventory once we enter the forge. Oh, okay. And let's see, when I press B, I also get player inventory dot ores 2 plus equals 1. So let's say I get a steel when I press that. Okay. So it works. It does in fact work. So let's do that and what? If that mat bigger equals costs of mat, no, of cat pass. I mean, wait, I can then basically I can mostly steal that code. But we don't have that. We have, what's it called? Edit player inventory item type material amount. That item type is cat mat one zero mat minus costs cat, like this. So now I don't think I need this one at the moment, the second debug thing, so I will Put it in here for now and say wait. In the shop we have the shop inventory, not the player inventory. Right. Almost forgot that. Because the player inventory will be empty. Mm-hmm. And then I get it in the player inventory. That's not ideal. Can I just like call the function that transfers the items again? Yeah, transfer to shop. Singleton dot transfer to shop. I just do it like that. So it gets added back to player inventory and then back to shop. Okay, let's undo that here. Or so, and in the shop here, instead of printing openings, open forge, and here we say material category. Okay, forge items, material. Yeah, let's say steel. We want to make what was the category again? Swords, 0. Okay, so let's try making a steel sword here. I need to give myself steel though. On this one. Oh yeah, steel 2. Amazing. So, yeah, let's see if that works. So, I now have 2 steel probably. Now the 2. Oh shit. I went the wrong way again. Okay, let's go the long way around. And now I'm in the shop. So, shop now has 2 steel ingots. I'm in forge range. I crafted something. Oh, the shop has the steel sword. Maybe I need to make a take from shop thing. Or a way to transfer to the shop manually is again. Maybe like here, if you go here and press something, then you transfer everything to the shop. How about that? When you... Okay, wait. So, how about this system? Instead of transferring everything automatically, which in theory was the plan. Okay, I'm terrible at drawing this. So, you have like these item things. This just looks like a book. And there's a door and there's like a hallway. Now it looks like a sign. Okay, so... Instead of transferring everything automatically, if you like go here and interact, or like here or something, or like in generally here, and press interact, you transfer all your items to the shop. Okay, or let's say to shop is one button, and take everything from the shop is the other button. And if you enter that hitbox and have anything in your inventory, are you sure? Then like it asks you if you want to leave with items. Are sus. Yeah. There's no escape. So I think that's actually better than the way it's implemented right now. And that would be super easy to implement. Okay, I'm definitely doing that. Like the are you sure thing is the hardest one. But other than that, that's super easy to implement. I can just go and say take from shop. Okay, can I do find and replace? No. Okay. Dup, 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 dup. Now, player inventory, that, and that. Okay, and instead of doing that automatically, I will go and put a secondary input. Secondary interact. Wrong button. That was the wrong button. That did not create it, right? No. Oh, but it's still in here. So add. And let's say that is F. Okay. And more levels. Let's remove that. And instead, okay, I'll need area 2D here, and I need a collision shape here. Now, let's look at that. That collision shape should be a rectangle. Let's make that rather big. But like, do I want it to be like all of these? Or do I want it to be like that? I think I'll do it like that. And maybe so you're not in the door. Yeah, let's make that not collide with that. I think that's better. Let's do it barely. So now we can go into the script here and our shop inventory range false, and then we go here, area 2D, node, what he entered, And here, oh wait, fuck, I shouldn't call it area 2D. Shop inventory, like that. Body entered. And then disconnect that. Body exited. Connect. So we then go Control X, move that to the rest of them. Like this. And like that. Shop inventory range. Shop inventory range. Copy that. False. Out of shop inventory range. So, and then elif, whoops, shop inventory range. And then we also need an elif to that. Elif secondary indirect. Then if shop inventory range. Okay, and also let's give it an else here. So if we do shop inventory range, items transferred to shop, singleton dot transfer to shop. And if I do it here, then singleton dot take from shop, items taken from shop. So I just had a realization. It would make more sense to like craft with player inventory stuff now that I kind of said that like that's the shop inventory. So like, okay, I'll just have to revert all of that shit. Wait, no, wait, actually that's not too hard. I can just say player inventory.ors here. Wasn't there more that I had to edit? It feels like I have to do more, but it doesn't seem like it. So let's not do that automatically. Okay. So, and just to check, print. Okay, how do I test this now? Do I go and like craft a sword and then push that back and forth? I think that's the way. Okay, print shop singleton dot shop inventory dot swords, print player inventory.sorts. Items taken from shop like this. Okay, so now if I I think I can test now. So if I press speed twice or like a couple more times. Wait, what do I? Okay, G is the shop inventory. What did I press B? Oh, B was give me items, right? Yeah, give me ores of 2 plus 1. Okay, that's fine. So if I fuck, I went the wrong way again. Oh, and I missed the door. Whoops. Now I'm in forward range. I crafted. What is the print? That's my player ores, right? No. What does it print after it crafts? Player inventory.sort. What? No, wait, that's... I'm nowhere near where I need to look. Oh, it prints how many ores I had before. So it will now print 2, 3. In shop inventory range. Shop now has 1 sword. And if I press F, then I'll take the sword. Okay. Something's wrong. Print play that. And then the same thing with swords. And let's restart the whole thing so we start with a clean slate. Ah, fuck, I always go the wrong way. Okay. So that should give me 2 ores. Ores. I transformed that into 1 sword. Wait, no. The first one is ores. The second one is sword. What? Don't I craft a sword? Forge item. Medcat. Have I fucked something up? What have I fucked up? Oh, category 0 for this thing means ore. Right. Okay, so if I do that, craft failed. Okay, give me another one. Okay, that's gone, and I've got a sword now. Craft failed. Craft failed. Crafted. I've got 2 swords now. Cool. And if I press E here now, the shop has 2 swords. If I press F, I have 2 swords. Amazing. So. Replace with actual. Okay, but it does things. Okay, so right, I wanted to make like a thing here. How do I check if anything in the list is bigger than 0? GD script, any value in lists. That's not entirely what I want. Okay, I'll just loop through him. Let's not overcomplicate things once again. So okay, let's go in here. That's the move levels thing. Okay, script, move levels. OG. How does it go back to the original one, like the spawn room? Wait a second. Got the right one this time. It does go to the spawn room, right? Yeah. How? Remove RL. Onboarding that if using player. Remove RL. Oh, rooms left. Reset. Okay, so. Oh, wait. If it's 0, then the next one is shop. If it's smaller than 0, it resets. But still, how does it get the switch to the base level? Like to spawn room? It is a Mysterium. How does it reset to the spawn room? Wait, am I missing something? Like it has just that? Like the shop thing, that's just what I built, not what someone else built. So how does it use that script to get back to spawn? Uh-huh. I must be missing something somewhere, but I don't know where. Change scene to that file. Okay, but like the level name nowhere gets set to spawn room. Okay, it's shop. We have R corridor, D corridor 1 and 2. Those. What's level 3? Oh, something that seems to be in progress. How the fuck does it get back to the spawn room? That doesn't make sense to me. Wait, I'll have to ask the guy. Okay, wait, there are some messages in the Discord, I gotta check. Okay, actually let's do them. So okay. Okay, I'll ask the guy. There's okay. Let's see. The guy is online and typing, so I'll probably get an answer pretty quick here. But like how? So well, I feel like that counter is probably not. I mean, okay. Usually, I guess in the game loop, you wouldn't have the shortcut to the shop, so that doesn't matter. but am I blind? Oh, is it like set that? Oh, okay, I figured it out right at the moment he told me. Okay. That sort of makes it slightly more difficult to implement that check though, I think. Manual. I'm slightly still confused though. Wait. If there's no rooms left, then set it to manual and set the level name to shop. So like, okay, it gets teleported to the shop and then it takes whatever the manual one is. Okay, so if I'll just check if manual here. Manual never gets reset though. What? Should I just rewrite their code?
Excuse me.
Hello. Okay, wait. Before you ask me, before you ask why I want to rewrite your stuff. Oh shit! I'm sorry. Didn't hear that. Hello. Hello.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
I'm just gonna rewrite the entire thing, huh?
I don't plan on rewriting everything, just a little bit. Okay, so something.
You have a problem with?
No, more like a feature I want to implement. That would be easier if I rewrote a little bit, I think. So, you know how we said that we want to like automatically switch from the player inventory into the shop inventory as soon as you enter the shop?
Yes.
I thought, wouldn't it be kind of better if the player could like manually do that down here with the like gear racks? So like you enter, you still have everything in your inventory and you craft with your inventory and everything. And then you go here to the like stands with all the swords and bows in it. You press E, you transfer everything you have into the shop. And you can also do it the other way around with F, like take everything from the shop onto you.
The racks are meant to be a place where you put your items to sell.
Okay. I guess we could implement bow. Okay. Or like maybe
I'm curious,
put in a chest or something.
Why do you think it's better not to just automatically transfer everything to your shop inventory?
That was just the thought I had. Like when I implemented the forge and the potion thing, that it's kind of a bit weird that you craft with your inventory. Like at first I implemented it with like the player inventory, and then I was like, oh shit, I have to correct it because everything's in the shop inventory.
Yeah, in the shop inventory.
And then I was like, wait, it kind of would make more sense if it was from the player inventory, because like that's stuff you're carrying with you. I mean,
yeah, but the shop inventory is like what's in your shop.
Yeah. But like I would sort of imagine it to be like in a chest somewhere or something. Yeah, but that's small stuff, I guess.
So what? Okay, so what I am confused though is how any of that has to do with rewriting my levels switching.
Okay, so I already implemented that part, and what I wanted to do was like a safety check, so you don't exit with anything in your inventory. So like,
Okay.
if you hit that hitbox, then it would tell you, yeah, you've still got stuff on you. You probably want to put that somewhere. So you don't risk it on the next run.
Okay. I mean, I personally just feel like it'd be easier just to transfer everything to the shop inventory. Feels a little...
Okay. Yeah.
Like extra steps for no reason.
Yeah, I was more focusing on reusing my code for the player inventory management rather than making the same thing again for the shop.
Is it going to be difficult to make it work from the shop inventory instead of the player? Okay.
It shouldn't be.
All right.
Okay. Good.
Like if we were making a survival crafting game, I'd agree like making chests and everything, but given it's a
okay,
I don't particularly want inventory management of did I leave my swords in my inventory or is it in my shop inventory. I don't think that's really the focus of the game.
Okay, good, then I will switch it over to shop inventory.
Okay, and you're not going to rewrite my
no.
code. Okay.
I mean, I will not rewrite it. I will add like 2 lines to check if we are in the shop. To like swap everything into the shop inventory.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Yeah, hear you later. Okay. Okay, I guess it's not time to rewrite someone else's code. Let's do that. Good, then. Okay, that one needs a small rewrite then, and I don't need a take from shop function. Take from shop. Okay, I can just get rid of that actually. So, shop inventory range. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Shop inventory. So, oh, no mention of the shop at all here. It's weird. Okay, shop inventory, shop, and them. So, yeah, basically I'll just have to copy paste this thing, I think. Edit. Shop inventory. Okay, how much did I break now? Okay, let's get rid of shop inventory. I still need those, fine. Okay, and I think that's everything taken care of. So, so, is it time to test or did I forget something? So, okay, wait, why do I have the crafting table thing open? That's old, I don't need that. I just see some broken thing somewhere, transfer the shop. Oh, right, I need singleton. Oh, what? Dot transfer the shop. So, I think I'm ready to test. So, unless oh, no, I need to change that to edit shop inventory and do that. shop inventory. So so that should now be 2 steel in my inventory. Oh no, I went the wrong way around again. In fort range, I crafted something. What did I... Wait, did I not craft a steel... Wait. That's not good. Wait. Prints ores to steel, inventories, ores and swords. It doesn't craft anything though. You know it's in here. Is the edit shop inventory thing... Oh! I know why. I need to replace all of these with shop inventory. Of course. So, let's reset. Where is it? Here. Give myself 2. Ah, god damn it! I also always walk into that door. Why? So now if I interact here, we will craft a sword, and then I can't craft a sword anymore. Cool. And that sword is immediately in the shop inventory. Oh yeah, that thing is useless. Close. So, how do we handle equipping stuff from the shop inventory though? Do I make a second equip thing? I think that might be a question for later. That would be a lot of copy pastes, but still manageable. How does everything play together here? Okay. Wait, maybe I should write stuff down where I'm not sure how to do that yet. Wait, let's move that in here. Open questions. How crafted stuff, use crafted stuff, thrown into shop inventory, There was something else that I was thinking about, but I'm not. I don't remember. Okay. Let's keep it like this for now. Or like spawn. Okay, no, that's just a technical question. Okay. Okay, maybe I should merge that for now. Let's see if that works without problems. History. What did I do in that thing? I'll just call it backend for crafting and push. Now, can I just merge it to main, or how many merge errors will I get? Oh. Should I merge it into main already? Did I forget anything? Okay, actually, let's do the transmute stuff as well. What? Oh wait, I'm on main, right? Persistent inventory, there we go. So, now I think I'll start with the transmute stuff. Like brew potions. Mad cat. Wait, for the potions we only have one category, I suppose. I feel like this one only needs material. How did I implement the potions? Ah, just like that. Okay. So the ores were flowers. Okay. So I'll do dot flowers. I mean, this is similar. Big O equals, let's just say 2 minus, or like, okay, wait. Potion cost potion costs, right, I need to write var here, minus potion cost. So, edit shop inventory category 0 wait, what? Oh, we don't even have flowers in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And potions either. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, flowers and potions are missing here. Shit. How did I mess that up? How did I do enum again? I go dot enum. That's not what I mean. Why is the German now? Ah, it's fine. I can read German. What? Why is it showing such like? Why is it like a complete? Oh, because it's just like a reference. Okay. Come on, why? Wait, can I? Why? Where's like manual? Okay, I'm just confused. Is Enam in here? I'm so confused. Okay, I think I'll take a quick 5-minute or so break. Grab myself something to eat. Okay, might be a little bit longer than 5 minutes, but not too long. Okay, wait, not a question. Do I grab something to eat, go offline, grab something to eat, come back online, or do I just grab something to eat and continue? Okay, I think I'll just go offline quick and come back in an hour or so. I think that's the better way. Then I can also, I don't know, chill for an hour and maybe then think more clearly or something. Anyways, I'll be back in an hour or so, or less, probably less, hopefully less. Okay, see you then.